Okay, in this video, I'll share with you how to upload your data or list. It's very simple. You have to log in your Klaviyo email marketing software. Then you have to come here, the list and segment. Then come, then create a new, then create a new list. I'll tell you about the segment, how to make proper segmentation, but let's do. So suppose you wanted to make a name like uh, Father's Day, Father's Day promotion, and you can have to put a tag like for better understand later, Father's Day marketing, create, then create list. Okay, fine. Then you have to come here, not sign up. First, you have to come here, the upload contract. So upload the contract, and then you have to go the data. So here is my data. So it says the selected file content without no name. So first of all, I have to rectify the data, the name, everything like that. So I have here the data around 58 data. So I have to, I will remove my all data except this. So this is the first name, an email and last name. Come here, I do download, and I come again here to upload again, cancel. So upload, and then come this list. So okay, fine, it comes the right way, first name, last name, email. Then the next, then did these contacts subscribe to your email marketing? If they subscribe from your website, then you can say yes. If no, then you can put the no. Then import. So it will take only like 30 to 40 seconds to import. You can stay this page or navigate any without affecting. So it's already updated. So in this way, you can upload your any data from your Google Sheet or Excel sheet, but you have to remember only Google Sheet when you upload, then it have to be the CSV format, because CSV format is only supportive format for listing the data. So thank you for watching this video. If you need anything about Klaviyo email marketing or social media marketing or whatever, then you can reach out Trust Dev Agency. We're gonna help you to grow your business. Thank you.